The iActivesense safety suite is standard on every Mazda, a full complement of radar sensors and cameras designed to keep you in tune with your surroundings without detracting from the driving experience. Blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning system, lane keep assistance, smart brakes with pedestrian support, rear cross traffic alert are all constantly working to alert you to potential hazards, avert collisions, or reduce their severity when one is unavoidable. Meanwhile, G-vectoring control and GVC Plus aid in precise steering and subtle braking corrections, smoothing out cornering and reducing steering fatigue in long journeys. These systems analyze data over 200 times per second to deliver a safe, stable driving experience and are the reason why owners trust and depend on their Mazdas.